All right, so I am in my trusted sender email inbox. This represents the customer's inbox, and the customer is going to send emails out to the uh, integration service router from this account. Right, for now, you can see that it is about 11:53 p.m. here on the US East Coast, and there are no emails related to the process here in the inbox. And what I'll be doing is sending emails from my mobile device, right? And once the banking application has responded, we should be able to see those responses showing up here in this inbox. The first protocol message that I'll be sending is get help info, right? I want to know what are the services available from the bank and how to use them, right? So I'm sending them from my mobile device. The title of this message is going to be UI Bank YouTube demo 1, and the body of the message will contain this single line: get help info. And I'm going to hit send. Coming back to the orchestrator, we will wait for the trigger to kick off the service router. And there it is. You saw that it triggered and it started running. And it has completed, and I have received an email. So I'm going to switch to my inbox and let's look at the response. Here is the message. It came just now, 0 minutes ago. It says, to transfer funds from checking to savings, send a single line email, right? Checking, savings, whole number, amount in the body. To transfer funds from savings to checking, do the following, right? And it also has a warning: do not include any identifiable info anywhere in the message, right? So this is the protocol message I sent, and it has been processed and the response has been sent along with the original message that I sent, right? So you see that the integration service router works. It calls the banking application and the banking application gets back to me immediately, right? So I'm back in the orchestrator. Now we are going to run another test. Now that I know how the services of the bank work and what protocol email messages to send, I'm going to send a balance inquiry email, right? I'm going to send an email out that says balance check all, right? So again, from my mobile device, I'm going to compose another email, and I'm going to call this UI Bank YouTube demo 2. The body of the email is balance check all. And I hit send. To get back to the orchestrator. So the service router has triggered the banking application, this time UI-based process. Now it is launching the UI Bank website, and now it is going to log in and return the current checking and savings balance back to the customer. That's it. It has completed and I have received an email. Let's go back to the email and check the status. Here is the title, UI Bank YouTube Demo 2, and it just came about a couple of minutes ago. And here the message is simple: instructions below received and processed with this status message. Your savings bank account balance is $81.46 and checking is $118.54. And this is the original protocol email I sent, balance check all. So good. So now that I know what is my savings and checking account balances, I can now send an instruction to transfer money from one account to the other. So this time what I'm going to do is I'm going to transfer, say, $20 from the checking account here that has a balance of $118 to my savings bank account, right? Let's come back to the orchestrator again, and I will be sending my third and final email for the purposes of testing. Again, the subject of the email is UI Bank YouTube Demo 3, and my protocol is going to be transferring money from checkings to savings and in the amount of $20. So my protocol email is going to be CHK SVG 20, and I hit send. The email has been sent. It's running now. Again, the UI Bank application is going to be launched. Remember, this would run only if the rules of your balance transfer have successfully validated your request. In this case, I had enough balance to transfer $20 from my checking account to the savings account, and therefore this automation successfully completed my request and I got a response back. Here is the response again, and it says your balance transfer from checking to savings in the amount of $20 was successful. Now we could go on testing this. You can send another request asking for account balances, and you will indeed see that the checking, the savings account balance has increased and the checking has gone down by $20. But we have seen that in the previous video on how to confirm that. So the series of these three tests that we saw here proves that our loosely coupled banking application built with the UiPath Integration Service for Microsoft Outlook 365 works effectively. And please do download and try the code that I am going to share with you as part of this video. It will definitely give you an exposure to designing your integration service pipeline in a manner that will enable you to plug in or plug out of the integration service pipeline and have some flexibility and long-term maintainability in your business systems. So thank you. If you like the content of this video, please do like and subscribe to my channel. I'll truly appreciate it, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.